this is a PET CT scanner right here. It has to be one of the greatest inventions ever. PET stands for positron emission tomography. CT stands for computed tomography. Within this scanner, we can learn chemistry, physics, engineering, mathematics, all from just studying this scanner, and the history of innovation, of course. The CT scanner was invented by a man named Gottfried Hounsfield, and Cormac was, I believe, from South Africa, and Hounsfield was from the United Kingdom. They both did work independently and then probably in conjunction later, but I know that Gottfried Hounsfield did his work out in the United Kingdom, partly due to having funding from a record company that had a research and development opportunity, and they gave it to Hounsfield to do work, right? He had opportunity, he had some free time to do something, and he was given these funds, and he was able to come up with an idea that is used for computed tomography. The PET CT scanner is used to help diagnose cancer. That's what happens, right? Or to monitor the progress as people are being treated for cancer. So notice we can even have a conversation about medicine. What I want to do is I want to provide middle school and high school students with an opportunity to learn about different careers in STEM. So in this course, we're going to talk about science, technology, engineering, and math. And that includes economics, that includes business, because in some ways it's like a science. And we're going to be talking about how to prepare for your career. And so middle school and high school students can explore these different careers, get mentoring, get networking opportunities, so they can start thinking about their future careers. We're going to talk about the history of CT as part of this, just because it's a fun discussion on the influence that engineering has on medicine. So join me as I talk about science, technology, engineering, and mathematics careers, as well as just career preparation in general, so that by the time your student is in high school, they know what they want to do with their lives, and they can go to colleges that support that if college is what they want to do. We need to change the mindset in America that says you don't need to know what you need to do while you're in high school or middle school. That's not true. That's a problem. As a matter of fact, if people are going to talk about the student loan crisis problem, but they're not going to talk about getting people the decision and vision they need to have for their lives before going to college, then they need to stop talking about the student loan crisis. We need to stop talking about the student loan crisis problem if we don't take time to talk about why do people even go to college in the first place. What's the vision they have for going to college? Is there a return on investment on the college journey they're going on? Is there a point to the college journey for them? Of course, I'm okay with. I want people to get education through college experience if that's what matches their skill set and is necessary for their journey. However, people should have a vision. In many countries around the world, as a matter of fact, let's say it this way: the only country that I know of in the world that does this, that lets people go to college without having a plan, the only country that does this is America, as far as I know. Like, no plan. We need to change that. We need to spend more time in career preparation, and that's part of why this course exists. We are going to help people have direction for their lives. We're going to show them, I'm talking about every career that we can find. We're going to show them an interview. We're going to show them what those people do. We're going to point them to resources. We want to be a resource for middle school and high schoolers, especially 6th to 12th graders. We're going to seek to do camp meetings eventually. Like this summer, we tried to do the NASA trip. We're going to try and do more things like that, so students can explore different careers, learn how to be efficient and diligent in their studies. I'm excited for this journey. We're going to change American education by God's grace, and this is one of the big steps we're going to take by providing students with the STEM Career Choice Prep program. Reach out to amosthemathguy@gmail.com, or you can visit our website and you can see what we have going on. amosthemathguy@gmail.com is the email. Let me know if you have any questions or suggestions, and if you want to be a guest speaker on the STEM Excellence podcast, where we talk about different careers and professions, reach out to amosthemathguy@gmail.com. We're going to get a database, every career that we can introduce students to, while also teaching them just how to be good at learning how to learn, because that's what needs to happen. Sometimes you don't have all the careers that are going to exist. We don't know what's going to exist in 20 years. But if we could train you on how to think, and we could train you how to be efficient and effective in your work and how to learn, you'll be fine no matter what the world brings. And sometimes you have to pivot. Sometimes you have to change directions. Let's give you all those tools. Let's teach you how to make the most of the life you've been blessed with. Thanks for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you in my career course, amosthemathguy@gmail.com. Take care and have a blessed day.